Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to lower DOM's 42111 Lego charger on the front to have limited suspension. There's already a really great way to do this on the back from Racing Bricks, which I'm going to hyperlink below. But over here on the front, there weren't really many great options. So I've come up with an elegant, simple way to give you not just that lowered suspension look that you want, but also the ability to fine tune the suspension and dial it in the way you'd like. So first and foremost, generally speaking, when we do connect these pieces, there's a pin that goes through the normal suspension in through this control arm. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to put a zap strap through this middle hole around the control arm there and just tighten it. And so what we can do at the end is we can start to count how many springs we have. And if we do that on both sides, we can actually line up and tune that suspension. The only consideration is that you want to make sure when you are building that zap strap in that you don't do it around this piece here, because this piece of course is your steering. So if we do have anything holding that back, it's gonna stop us from being able to turn the car. So there you have it, a really simple way. Throw a zap strap around here, preload the spring as much as you want. You can then dial it in on both sides to get to the desired height right. And there you have it. Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to lower DOM's 42111 Lego charger on the front to have limited suspension. There's already a great video from Racing Bricks on how to do this on the rear, but on the front there haven't been any great solutions so far, so I've come up with one. The easiest way to do this is to use a zap strap. The idea here is that you need to preload and pre-compress your spring, and instead of having it connected to this bottom control arm, we're going to use a zap strap and actually put it through the middle. And by preloading, we can actually tune how much travel we want that suspension to have. Now remember, when you do get this piece around, you want to be sure not to put the zap strap around this one arm, of course, because that is what controls the turning mechanism. So really simply, you want to compress the spring, throw a zap strap through the hole, tie it around to the top control arm, and just make sure that it hasn't been caught on this component here. And last tip for you is make sure that the front part of the zap strap is sitting here easily accessible. So if you do make a mistake, you can clip off and start again. So there you have it, limited suspension on the back, limited suspension on the front, and hopefully that will sit much better for you when you complete your build. Happy building!